What's up, everyone? DJ here, and this evening I want to talk to you about a really important concept called learned helplessness. Now, this comes from a man named Martin Seligman, and I learned about it through someone else named Ty Lopez. But what learned helplessness is that we often become conditioned to think that our actions don't matter, that we get the same results over and over again, so we think that we're just simply victims of our circumstances, while in reality, the means to change our circumstances are actually there. It's just that we get so used to stuff day after day after day that things really seem basically hopeless. But the reality is, in this day and age, and with all the information that you have at your fingertips, AI, just Google all the above, you really can make the needle move if you want to. Now, if you have a specific problem, I'd love it if you DM'd me, but I think stuff like this is really important because when you're aware of this concept, it helps you start looking at things in a different way, because once you're conscious of something and it's no longer in the realm of like something that you don't know that you don't know, things can change. So definitely ponder this and give it some thought. And here's a little experiment you can try. Go to a room with maybe a bunch of objects in it, okay? And let's just say, you could do this right now maybe, right? I want you to look around and find everything that's blue, okay? Like this color, whatever this is, right? This blue, I guess Toronto Blue Jays. I'm trying to think of sports teams that wear this, but anyway, so blue. You'll notice the items, okay? And then immediately after that, tell me all the green items that are in the room, okay? And you may not really be able to do that too easily. It's kind of like, well, I don't know, man, but the fact of the matter is they're there. You just didn't notice them because you were focusing on the blue items. And that may seem like an oversimplification of your problems, but in many cases, it really is not. What you need to find is there. It's in that realm of things that you don't know that you don't know. So it's really important that you don't lose faith. You can get through this by always just doing research, trying to keep an open mind. In today's day and age, you can really leverage LLMs, tell them what your problems are and ask it for things that maybe you aren't thinking of. Or better yet, shoot me a DM. I'd love to talk to you. This kind of stuff, this deep psych stuff, I'd love to get into just as much as fitness. So keep that as a possibility. And otherwise, let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you guys. And drop a like or two, maybe 3. Thanks.